Well, hello, YouTube. It is me, Tri-State EDZ, with a little white parcel. Little parcel. Got a little parcel on our hands here. It's from Arcane Designs. Pretty pumped about it. And we're going to get in here. We're going to touch it. Newest, latest, greatest from Israel, my boy. Pretty jacked. Pretty riled up. Might be a little aroused, even. But we're going to get in there together right now. That's right, Israel, my boy. What's up, dude? Let's get in here. This is the automaton, the latest, prior to what's in this satchel here. Oh yeah, love the pack. No, love the packaging. Love the boxes. I love everything about it. Got a little drawer. Look at that. Got a little cushy, kind of semi-hard case. I can relate to being semi-hard. And inside of this, we have a knife. I would assume. Oh, it matches. Oh, this is one of the few Arcanes I don't have. The Necronaut. I want to say I've reviewed the Necronaut at some point in my career, but this is the newest one, and as you can see right off the rip, no hardware. Where's the screws, Tri-State? They're on the other side. It's fine. Nobody panic. They're on the other side. But I just love a clean show side. That is so... It's like a magic trick. Where are all the screws? We got thumb studs. We got a flipper tab. Really nice jimping on there. Real nice jimping on there. Beautiful. Aggressive jimping on the blade spine. Titanium pocket clip. Titanium backspacer. She's looking good. This is an inset lock, by the way. The original's a frame lock, I believe. The OG. But let's give you size comparison. Right. What is going on here? Right quick. PM2. Oh, it's all the way over here. Pair 3. There you go. There you go. So, size-wise, kind of right in between. Leaning towards the PM2. Not a small knife, not a big knife right down the middle of the road. No, I'm okay with it. Kind of perfect for me. Let's pop this bad boy open. Oh my lord. One of the most aggressive Tontos on the market. I'm trying to think if they like... Is there anything this aggressive out there? It's just outrageous. I guess technically you would call this an American Tonto because of the straight lines. I want to say that's what this is called. And it is gnarly. Beautiful belt satin finish. Compound ground Tonto. Flat on the tip. Hollow on the flat section here. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's clean. It's voluptuous. Loving the teal and black. Handful of different color combos. I know the way you set this one up. You pick your handle color first, and then you pick your blade finish or something like that. So there's like 3 blade finishes. Satin, stonewash, black, coated. And then you had black and red, black and blue, stonewash red, stonewash blue, and I think there were other ones too. I know there was a lot of options. Open size comparison. PM2. Per 3. Yeah, oh, again, leaning towards the PM2 size-wise, but right in betwixt. Right in between. And I'm alright with it. I'm alright with it. Ergo's in hand. We have these really nice chamfered areas here. Excuse me. Beautiful ergonomic lines. I just took my fiber. Ooh. It's the little details. A little Arcane Design stamp on the inside of the backspacer there. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Are there liners in here? Hello? No. No. No, just an inset lock. Okay. Okay. Beautiful lines. There it goes. In hand. Yeah. Easy 4-finger grip. Choke back. Thumb on that aggressive jimping. Locked in. Home sweet home, baby. Locked and loaded. No issues there. Nestle in. Right behind the flipper tab. Thumb out on the blade. Home sweet home. No issues there at all. Locked in. We don't have a finger choil. We got a really solid sharpening choil. Good plunge grind. Placement's nice like that. So you get some life out of that blade. You can kind of trigger pull. It's a little sketchy. So for this knife, choke back, thumb on the jimping. That's where you're going to live. That's home sweet home. Can I pinch grip it? You know, I don't know that I can't. I can't. It's a pinch grip, no day. But that's okay. Not that kind of knife. That's all right. I'm not that mad about it. But that feels really good. Can kind of get back here. You can, but it's a stretch for me. Pencil grip. Use that dainty tip. Oh, yeah. Write your name in cursive, baby. All day. Very nice. No hot spots. No pinch points. White knuckle it. No issues. Very comfy in the hand. Very comfy in the hand. Lock up, solid. No complaints there at all. Action on bearings. Future me, who made this one? Is this Reate build? I want to say going rate was like 350 on this. Reate? Oh. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Everything works great. Thumb flick. I love these big... He did them on the automaton, too. These big, gnarly thumb studs. Big fan of that. I like it when little pieces, little insignificant parts of a knife get an upgrade. You know, he could have just done some goofy circle, you know, some regular old circle thumb studs. But he said, no, not good enough. Not good enough for me. Give me some big old, whatever these are, bolts, I don't know. But I like them. Access to the lock bar's great. No issues there at all. Reverse flicks money. Flipper tab's great. It all works. It all works. Paul, this would be a good one for a flipper delete. Even though the flipper really doesn't stick out at all when it's closed. When it's open, you got a hell of a lot of flipper down here. It'd be a fun one to see without the flipper. Just studs. You know what I mean? Just a thought, Paul. If you get the call, heed the call. Great. Acoustics are aggressive. Buttery smooth on the close. Big heavy blade comes swinging down. Great. Ooh. Ooh. Flipper tab catches your thumb. Home sweet home. Good acoustics. Good. Solid. Wonderful. Lovely. Clicky clacky goodness. Clicky clacky goodness, baby. Beautiful. Oh, baby. We gotta cut something. Future me. Blade steel. I don't know. I honestly don't know. S90V, M390, Magna Cut. I don't know, but it's a hell of a blade, and I want to cut something. Hold on. The new Necronaut. Now, is this the Necronaut V2, V3? Like, what are we on here? Right? Yeah, dude. Oh yeah. Stupid thin behind the edge, man. Use that tip. Oh. Ooh. What I do like about this kind of Tonto, too, is it's so easy to sharpen. You just have straight edge, straight edge. Nothing crazy, nothing wild. Line up the first edge, line up the second edge, you're done. It's a relatively easy blade shape to maintain, and I do like that. God, that thing cuts. Oh. Oh. Lovely. Lovely. I don't know what else to say about it. It's an Arcane, baby. The Necronaut V2, I think. $350, something like that. Solid value for money. Titanium. Good steel. I don't know. Future me thinks. Links down below. Grab them for yourself. They are available now. You can just pick one up. Go over to the Arcane store. Pick yourself one up. You know? No gripes. Big fan. Gonna have to keep this one. Links down below. Grab yourself. Like the video, comment, subscribe, become a channel member, Patreon member. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, Red Note, Facebook. I'm out there. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.